for alligator. Snap, snap, snap. Big jaws go open, then clap, clap, clap. B is for bear. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Little bare feet go bumpity bump. C is for cat. Jump, jump, jump. Chasing a butterfly. Thumpity thump. D is for dog. Run, run, run. Happy little puppy having so much fun. E is for elephant. Swing, swing, swing. Trunky little elephant makes the jungle sing. F is for frog. Hop, hop, hop. Leaping on the lily pads. Plop, plop, plop. G is for giraffe. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Reaching for the treetops. Leaves to fetch. H is for horse. Gallop, gallop, gallop. Clip, clop, clip, clop. Tappity tap. I is for iguana. Nod, nod, nod. Sun-loving iguana. Nods on the log. J is for jellyfish. Float, float, float. Going in the water like a magic boat. K is for kangaroo. Hop, hop, hop. Bouncing in the outback. Never gonna stop. L is for lion. Roar, roar, roar. Baby lion king wants to roar some more. M is for monkey. Swing, swing, swing. Cheeky jungle monkey makes the treetops sing. N is for narwhal. Splash, splash, splash. Swimming through the icy sea with a dash. O is for owl. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Flying through the forest with a hoot, hoot, hoot. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle, slide. Happy little penguin on an icy ride. Q is for quail. Peck, peck, peck. Tiny bird bobs its little neck. R is for rabbit. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Happy little bunny on a meadow pounce. S is for snake. Slither, slither, slide. Wiggly little snake goes side to side. T is for tiger. Pounce, pounce, pounce. Little tiger cub with a bouncy bounce. U is for unicorn. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Sparkly magic pony for every boy and girl. V is for vulture. Flap, flap, flap. Soaring in the desert with a flap, flap, flap. W is for whale. Spout, spout, spout. Water fountain sprays up and out. X is for x-ray fish. Swim, swim, swim. See-through body shiny and slim. Y is for yak. Shake, shake, shake. Fluffy snowy yak makes the ground quake. Z is for zebra.